Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Adobe Firefly for AI image generation workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Adobe Firefly for AI image generation workflows, start by visiting Adobe's official website. Navigate to the Firefly product page. You will find detailed information about the software there. Next, look for the download button, typically located prominently on the page. Click on the download button to begin the process. A prompt may appear, asking you to log into your Adobe account. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your email and setting a password. After logging in, the download will commence automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to start the setup process. A dialog box will appear, asking for permission to install the application. Select Yes to continue. The installation wizard will guide you through the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to accept the license agreement. Choose your preferred installation location or accept the default settings. Click Install to begin the installation. Wait for the installation to finish, this may take a few moments. Once completed, click Finish to exit the installation wizard. Next, launch Adobe Firefly from your application's menu or desktop shortcut. Once the application opens, you might be prompted to log in again. Enter your Adobe account credentials to access the software. Upon logging in, familiarize yourself with the interface. Explore the various tools and features offered by Adobe Firefly for AI image generation. You're now ready to start creating images with Adobe Firefly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.